Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go through the official process for requesting a verification badge on your TikTok account. So this process is straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, to get the verification badge, we need to find the official request form that's a little hidden within the TikTok app's settings. So I'll walk you through exactly what to do. First things first, open your TikTok application and then wait for a few seconds. And after that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. And then just click on the three lines at the top right-hand corner. Over there, simply click on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you see the option for Support. Now in the Support section, click on Help Center. This will open TikTok's support page. Wait for a few seconds. Over here, you will be able to see a search option, and in the search bar, just type the word verification, and then hit search. And over here, you should be able to see an article that says something like, how to get verified on TikTok. So just look for the option. The name might be changed depending on the time you're viewing this video. So what you do is find anything related to verified or verification. Like this one right over here, verified accounts on TikTok. Click on that, and then an article will appear in front of you. It will give you the exact guide to follow in order to verify your account. But all you have to do is simply scroll down to the very bottom to find the verification form, which should be somewhere right over here, which you can see is called Submit a Request through our online form. Now, click on this option, and it should open a new panel right over here, as you can see. So now you have made it to the official verification request form. Now, all you have to do is fill out this form accurately. The form will ask you to confirm your username and provide some other necessary information. This might include your email address and details about why you believe you should be verified. So be thorough and honest over here. Explain your notability, whether you are a public figure, a creator, or a brand. You may also be asked to provide links to news articles or other verified social media profiles to support your case. Once you've done that, double-check all of the information you have entered so far to make sure everything is correct. And once you are done with all of that, just scroll down and you will find a Submit button. Simply click on that, and then after submitting your request, it will be sent directly to TikTok for review. Now, this process can take some time, so be patient, and TikTok will notify you once they have made a decision. I will also provide you with a simple template for the message to use, so you can fill in the missing options yourself, depending on the type of account you have. So, as you can see right over here, this is the rough template that I have. Now, you can get the same thing in the description box below as well. So simply copy the entire thing first and then paste it right over here. Over here, in this template, you will have the option to write whatever type of creator you are, or in whatever niche you are, which you can see here. Comedy, education, fiction, whatever. And over here, if you scroll down a little bit more, you will be able to add sections for other channels or links where you are verified or have some type of influence. You can paste all of them right over here. And in the end, just simply enter your name, click on this check option, and click on Submit. And that's it. You now know how to officially apply for verification on TikTok. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching, and take care.